देती हूँ। इमाम वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए, दैट इज बेस्ट, ताकि मेरे को दिखता है क्या कर रहे हैं, और फिर आवाज लगाती रहती हूँ, आप लोग रहते नहीं है अगर सब ऑफ रहता है। गुड। इंडिया वन द मैच के बाद में एक फुल स्टॉप आना है, तभी ये सेंटेंस माना जाता है। ओके, नथिंग डिफिकल्ट हियर। ऑल राइट, लेट्स हैव द नेक्स्ट अल्फाबेट एज आर। और अच्छे सेंटेंस, अच्छा वर्ड यूज कीजिए, अच्छा सेंटेंस बनाइए। अभी वन या वर्ल्ड, इसमें क्या क्या ही तो सिखाऊं मैं, ये तो आता ही है। आपको करेक्ट नहीं होना, यू हैव टू पुश योर एनवेलप, है ना। आर से बेस्ट वर्ड सोचिए एंड उसको राइट दैट, राइट अ सेंटेंस विद दैट। ओके, चलो, फर्स्ट एटलीस्ट राइट द वर्ड so that I know you are in the right direction.
I'm going to running.
देखिए, I will correct you then. Okay, I'm going to run. इसको किसी और फॉर्म में भी आप लिख सकते हैं। I'm going to run. शिवानी, ये आरबीएस का मैं क्या करूं बताओ।
आपने बोला था ना आर से बनाना है।
अरे आर से एक वर्ड यूज करो, यू नो, बेस्ट वर्ड। अब ये किसी का नाम है कि अब उसका चुन्नू मुन्नू कुछ भी नाम हो तो आप कुछ भी लिख देंगे क्या वहां पे? उस सेंटेंस, उस वर्ड को मैं अब क्या ही तो करूं, है ना। यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? यूज अ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड और समथिंग जिससे आप यू नो you make a sentence which I can correct for you. ठीक है, I want to do work in RBS company. This sentence is wrong. सुनिए शिवानी, look, listen. I want to do work in RBS company. इसमें क्या क्या मिस्टेक्स है सुनिए। अभी RBS प्रॉपर नाउन है कंपनी का, किसी कंपनी का नाम है, तो यू कैन नॉट राइट छोटा छोटा RBS, इट हैज टू बी RBS।
ओके ओके,
है ना।
कहाँ?
First thing is this, you have to write RBS like this. ये ऐसे small letters में नहीं चलेगा वो। And I don't want to do work in RBS company is a wrong sentence. You can better the sentence with I want to work for RBS bank. बैंक है ना ये तो।
हाँ जी।
हाँ, तो कंपनी क्या हुआ फिर, है ना। I want to work, so the sentence will be I want to work for the RBS bank. I और want एक हो गया है।
I want to work for the
This is the correct sentence. Formatting भी proper होनी है and the language has to be proper also. I am going to run.
Okay.
Imam Basha, your sentence here should be I am going for a run. I'm going to run. I'm going to run be technically it's not wrong. But if you're going for a run as in a jog, वही बोल रहे थे ना आप? What were you saying? वही वाला ना?
Yeah.
तो इसमें होगा I am going for a run. I am going to run means it's not run वैसा वाला run. It's like छोटा सा run. I'm going to run to the kitchen. समझ में आया? Understood?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't understand Hindi? or you're okay with Hindi also?
Hindi also okay.
You're okay.
Yeah, Hindi also.
So I want to work for the RBS Bank. It is one particular bank. Okay. And the other one is I'm going for a run. Got it? All right. Now the next, I'm going for a run. Yes. Next is, and everybody learn from everybody's sentences also. Don't only focus on your sentence and learn from that only. All right. The next alphabet is D. Find a good word with D. अभी इमाम, you are working, सॉफ्टवेयर में है, सब है, R से वर्ड आपको रन याद आ रहा है, तो ये 4th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे को क्या आना चाहिए? You should come up
I'm
with a
reading
better
daily
word, no?
newspaper.
Huh?
I'm reading newspaper.
You're reading the newspaper. Yes, something better than what a school child should be doing, है ना? Chalo, right with D. Akhlaq, how are you? Welcome. Akhlaq, are you there?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, are you audible?
Are you audible? नहीं. Am I audible? पूछिए. आप
Am
अपने
I
बारे में
audible?
पूछिए. मेरा नहीं पूछिए.
Sorry, sorry, sir.
हाँ. Am I
Fine, ma'am.
audible?
Sorry.
It's okay. You're here to learn, which is good.
Okay.
अखलाक, डी से एक वर्ड सोचिए एंड उससे सेंटेंस बना के लिखिए.
Can you repeat?
डी से एक
Devanand is accomplished artist.
डी से वर्ड मतलब एक शिवानी, यू आर नॉट रॉन्ग, मतलब मैं ही गलत पूछ रही होंगी.
No. अभी जॉइन मीटिंग में बात हो सकता है. मैं I can't understand. Can't I understand?
डी से एक वर्ड लिखिए अखलाक.
इसे.
हाँ, डी से. शिवानी, देवानंद वर्ड है बट हर चीज स्पेल आउट नहीं किया जाता है. नाउ आई विल टेल यू, राइट एन एडजेक्टिव विद डी और एडवर्ब विद डी. एक वर्ड जो आपको देवानंद मिलेगा वर्ड डिक्शनरी में? मिलेगा? फिर आप ऐसा वर्ड क्यों लिख रही हैं?
अच्छा, वर्ड कुछ
अरे
नहीं
किसी
है.
का नाम लिखना, मैं अभी आपको आई टोल्ड यू, चुन्नू मुन्नू कुछ भी नाम हो सकता है. अभी बोलेंगे सी से मतलब चुन्नू इज स्लीपिंग, तो वो क्या मतलब हुआ उसका? कोई मतलब हुआ?
नो.
फिर अगर आप इवन इफ यू से द वर्ड से क्यूरियस या काउंटर या एनीथिंग, काउंटर से आप वर्ड बना रहे हैं, समथिंग कॉइन, वो तो सी से आप वर्ड कुछ बना रहे हैं ना, सेंटेंस बना रहे हैं.
हाँ, मैं
मतलब नाम से क्या कर सकते हैं? वी कांट डू एनीथिंग विद दैट. आर यू वर्किंग ऑन द डेवलपमेंट साइड? वेरी गुड इमाम, वेरी नाइस.
Yeah.
Are you working on the development side? Very good. Nice. अखलाक, आप डी से एक वर्ड लिखेंगे क्या? Am I audible, अखलाक?
मैम ये सही है.
Our country is very low in development. Okay. ठीक है. Is slow in development. Low नहीं.
ओके. स्लो.
Low in development. ठीक है. Good. Okay. What's the next one? Let me give you another alphabet, which is L. L से एक वर्ड बनाए. अच्छा वर्ड पहले use the best word you know. Don't use the easiest word which comes to your mind. Okay.
India is a developing country.
India is a developing country. आपने full stop नहीं डाला. So
Yeah.
sentence is not complete. It is not a sentence at all. Okay. So L say write a word First you write a word, let me approve the word. मतलब थोड़ा standard वाला word use करो तो is best. हरि मोहन खुशवा, welcome. अंधेरे में बैठे हैं आप. Okay, so write a word with L and उससे फिर sentence बनाइए. Use the best word which you know. जो मन में आ रहा है, best word. Imam Basha, did you have lunch? Imam, ये question है. So it has to have
Question mark.
question mark.
Question mark. Yeah.
Did you have lunch? A better sentence is, did you have your lunch?
Yeah.
है ना? हरि मोहन, L से कोई word मिल रहा है आपको? Akhlaq. A word with L and then make a sentence. Did you have your lunch? Yes, Imam. Good. Shivani, your sentence. कितनी गर्मी है यार. We are on the last round. It's beyond 8 o'clock now. एकदम sharp 7:30 शुरू होता है class. Saturday वाला and it gets over at 8 o'clock.
Okay, but ma'am,
हरिमोहन आप mute हो गए. You are on mute now. हरिमोहन, liberal is very bad.
हाँ तक है.
क्यों bad है?
उदारवाद. मुझे
What's
नहीं आ
the
रहा,
meaning?
नहीं आ रहा था.
Liberal का meaning क्या हुआ बताइए?
उदारवाद.
हाँ?
उदारवाद.
हाँ. So is very bad? You should be intolerant, is it? What sense does this sentence make? हरिमोहन, L से एक word लिखिए और उसका sentence बनाइए. आप कुछ बोल रहे थे. Meanwhile, Imam, you can try another word with L and another sentence also.
I'm going to library.
हाँ, लिखिए. Just write it there. हरिमोहन, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे उस time. What happened? You were saying something. आप mute हो गए थे. You are still on mute. Unmute yourself first. I'm at the library. Good. All right. Shivani, your sentence can be being liberal.
Can be being.
हाँ, being too liberal can be problematic. Okay? हाँ हरिमोहन, अब आप unmute हो गए. क्या कह रहे थे?
okay, ma'am. You told me make a sentence on the word of L. So
With L,
Can you
not word of L. Make a sentence. Find a word with L and make a sentence with it.
okay.
Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Do you learn
So,
English?
L.
Do you learn English?
Yeah, learn. Yes, ma'am. Do you learn English?
Are
मेरे
you
को
learning English?
English.
Are
Right.
you learning English?
Yeah.
That would be a better sentence. Or are you learn? You want to use the word learn. ठीक है. Yes, Shivani?
Luxurious की spelling नहीं आ रही.
किसकी?
Luxurious.
Luxurious.
आपने
Luxurious. ये रहा spelling आपके लिए.
हाँ वो ही याद आ रहा था पर spelling गलत हो गई.
Yes, luxurious वो कराया था ना मैंने आपको क्लास में.
हाँ मैम वही याद आया.
हाँ. Luxurious. This is the spelling of luxurious.
Luxurious, it means luxury.
This is not luxury. आप luxury से भी बना सकते हैं word, वो भी इससे उसको
Yes, yes. It, I want to be our life so luxury, I think.
so write it here so that I can correct it for you.
Yes, yes. So it is a very comfortable and
Food is very luxurious. Luxurious.
Write the sentence, Hari Mohan. मेरी आपसे
Yes,
फोन पे
yes.
बात हुई थी ना, हरी मोहन?
Yes, ma'am.
ताज होटल फूड इज रियल क्या होता है?
Luxurious.
अरे यार very.
वेरी लग्जरी. नो इश्यूज. ओके, नाउ इस सेंटेंस को आप बेटर कर सकते हैं. एक तो इसका
But
जो ना
I want
movement जो ना ऐसे ऐसे करना पड़ेगा. तो द बेटर सेंटेंस विल बी
She is very
ma'am, but
luxurious.
अब फूड लग्जरियस नहीं होता है.
She is very luxurious.
नहीं.
no. This car is this car is luxury.
This, yeah.
Hotel is luxurious.
No, luxury is four-wheeler, like a four-wheeler.
Hold on, don't talk too much. Right? किसी को याद नहीं रहता, कोई सुनता नहीं, सब अपने अपने बोलते हैं. Everybody is only interested in speaking, nobody is interested in listening. So please write so that I can correct
Yes.
you. Shivani, the sentence
Yes, ma'am.
for you. A better food is not luxurious.
The
Stay
stay at the Taj Hotel is luxurious.
the stay at the Taj Hotel is luxurious. ठीक है, अब वो देखो,
हाँ.
Taj Hotel food is very luxurious. वो
We
sentence
can say that building is luxury, car is luxury, and four-wheelers of
no.
luxury.
You will say having having your own flat or home, having your own house
Yeah,
and
so
a
they are having
car.
a lot of facility in this. That is called luxury, I think.
Yes. Luxury is
Yes.
something which is goes beyond your needs.
Yeah.
Beyond जाता है. तो वैसे sentence लिखना. हाँ, इमाम बादशाह, that's correct. Taj Hotel is luxurious. Absolutely correct. हरिमोहन, आप अगर लिख रहे हैं sentence तो मैं correct करूँ and then we'll end the session.
Actually, how to write in this, but I don't understand.
अच्छा, you don't know. अभी I am on my system. कौन बताएगा? शिवानी, Imam, please tell him how to go into the chat on the mobile.
Okay, I'm right. Okay, ma'am.
आपको ये करना होगा.
Okay,
Side scroll
okay.
करना होगा.
क्या करना होगा?
Side scroll. Chat में.
Varna car is luxury car.
Okay.
आपको
कर
chat
लिया.
मिलेगा कहीं पे.
Chat में?
शिवानी, हरिमोहन को चैट करना नहीं आ रहा है, so I'm telling him.
Okay.
I'm
No,
trying to.
ma'am. Actually, I'm writing. Ma'am. I'm writing the message.
हाँ,
Okay.
right.
Okay, just a bit. Okay.
आपको सिर्फ अपना फेस दिख रहा है या मैम का फेस दिख रहा है? लिख तो
हाँ.
दिया इन्होंने.
जय विलास पैलेस.
Is
Jai-
luxurious building.
जय विलास होगा, विलास नहीं होगा. जय विलास पैलेस is luxurious building. Is a luxurious building. And जय,
Okay.
आप क्या इधर है क्या? जयपुर से है क्या?
No, ma'am. Actually, this is located in the Gwalior of the Jyotiradish Srinivas house.
Whose house?
Ma'am.
ये देखिए, आपको करेक्टेड सेंटेंस दिया है.
Okay.
जय विलास पैलेस is a luxurious building. All right?
The luxury building. Okay, ma'am.
Building. Okay. With this, we end
Luxurious.
today's session. 30 minutes के beyond ही गया है actually today. We will meet again next Saturday. And जो भी
Yeah,
मैं
of course,
poll
ma'am.
डाल-
Yeah.
जो भी मैं पोल डालती हूँ, प्लीज आंसर द पोल, क्योंकि मेरे को पिक्चर मिलता है, गेट अ पिक्चर व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर, एंड वैसा ही फिर मैं आपको प्रोग्राम देती हूँ आपके लायक. न्यू
Yes,
बैच स्टार्ट होने वाला है वेरी सून. माय एड इज रनिंग. I will fix up a date and we will start the new batch. This batch will be, Shivani, your batch is what? Monday, Thursday. So this batch will be Tuesday and Friday batch. Okay? So
This
we are going
batch.
to- not you, Shivani, you're already in a batch. This is not for you. So Tuesday, Friday batch will start very soon. And I will let you know. And also with small workshop. Just say you just had a problem with 2 and 4, Imam.
Hmm.
So I will
ma'am.
give
I
you
think your class is end of
end of what?
I'm asking you,
Wednesday end.
this class is time is off or running? What times are remaining?
No time is remaining. बाप रे, एकदम jumbled आप words बोल रहे हैं. मेरे को sentence समझ
Yes,
नहीं आया.
yeah,
Anyway,
of course, ma'am. Actually, I belong to the Chambal area. Yeah. Cavalier, Murena, and generally Supri, Eguna, and also yes.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. You are here to learn only.
क्या?
The class is over.
Yeah,
It
ma'am.
starts at 7:30 on Saturdays. Free session starts at 7:30 on Saturday, and it ends at 8 o'clock. It's already 8:13 now. Okay, so we are going.
Okay, actually, I was working on the computer system, so I have forgot of this class is today. So I'm just a remember of this class. So I opened my link of send it by send to you link by open just connected to you right now. Actually,
You remind me of one of my students who was there. उसका
yes,
भी
ma'am.
पूरा
The first,
sentences सब jumbled रहता था. ये word इधर ही है.
yeah, I talked it to you on the phone calls first of before that month, before 10 days, I think around off. I don't know, remember the proper
I
time. is that.
remember. I'll give you the date also. The day you spoke to me. वो सब है मेरे पास.
Yes, ma'am. But I have a lot of skill, but I am not sure of the other one because I am living in a single guy here. So we have no communication on other guy. If there is a lot around of me, maybe lived out a lot of people just to talk to in an English, they are not available.
Okay.
So I'm not talking to English. But I want to talk in improvement of the somebody's maybe around of me, lived around of me. So talk to the continue in the evening, morning, and the day by day. So it's not available. So I'm not improvement. I have improvement your English communication.
So
But
you
there is a
join the batch. When the new batch starts, you join the new batch. You will have people who want to talk to each other. Everybody is
Ma'am,
looking to talk to others.
yes, ma'am. But there is this batch is something maybe pay of charge or not.
This one is free. Batch is paid, of course.
Actually, I'm belong to the poor family, so I have an but my parents has been expired before 4 years, so I'm a lonely person is there. So I'm not afford of the lot of fees is that so, ma'am.
कोई बात नहीं, Hari Mohan.
Yes.
Free session. Jesse, this one is a free session. You can join this free session every
Yeah,
Saturday.
of course, ma'am.
You can
Yeah, yeah.
follow me on. Listen to me now. Stop talking.
Yes, yes.
You can follow me on Instagram. Every day मैं कुछ सिखाती हूँ उसमें. I teach every day, and my YouTube has got so much matter. You go and listen to it every day. You talk the way you stop and talk the way I'm talking. On my
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, ma'am. I have a need. So my plans. I want to the fluent of English. Just like Hindi also.
So
What?
I that is what I said. I can help you, but if you want my
Yeah,
time to
thank
help
you.
you, so I will charge you. But otherwise, YouTube mein you can go. I will share my. You are in the warrior group, no? All of you. I will share my YouTube this thing. my link.
Ma'am,
Go there,
ma'am,
subscribe.
whenever, yes,
हरिमोहन,
ma'am.
आप बहुत सारा
Yes, yes.
थोड़ा सुनिए भी, है ना?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
तो आपको फ्री में सीखना है तो मैं बता रही हूँ आप फ्री में कैसे सीख सकते हैं.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
हाँ, YouTube में जाइए, एक
Yes,
एक
ma'am.
वीडियो है मेरा, इतने वीडियोस हैं. एक वीडियो लीजिए
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
और
ma'am.
उसको 5 दिन रोज उसको सुनिए. एंड एवरी टाइम
Okay, ma'am.
जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ वही सेंटेंस आप बोलिए. आपको
Yes, yes.
में अपने मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, पेड में मैं आपके साथ मेहनत करूंगी.
Yes, yes. Ma'am, something maybe I will pay, but I first of all I'm earn the money. Then I will take a classes, the live classes like. So
Yes.
can you talking
Good
the
value.
lot of people there gathered each other? Yes, ma'am.
बेसिकली either you spend time, a lot of time, 5 साल लगा दीजिए फ्लुएंट होने में, या आप 6 मंथ लगाइए किसी पे करके फ्लुएंट हो. तो बेसिकली when you pay, your work happens faster, and when you do it on your own, आपको ज्यादा टाइम, either you spend time or money, दोनों में से something you will have to spend, that is it, है ना? Even if we go to a temple or anywhere, you get a fast card now, you go to a you pay more money, you will go in faster, है ना? तो
Okay.
that is all.
Ma'am,
Either
can
you
you tell
spend
me?
money or you spend time, that's it. Effort तो दोनों में ही लगना है.
Okay, actually, ma'am, can you tell me how to recorded your video just like that? I want to record this, but how to record in the mobile phone of this live
You don't have to
communication?
record, you don't have to record. मैं record करके आपको इसका link दूंगी group में.
Okay, okay, ma'am, thank you.
Previous ones
Okay.
also group में
Yeah,
record.
yeah.
बैठ
Okay,
के.
ma'am, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Iman Pasha, how was the class for you?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, thank you. हरिमोहन, आपके लिए कैसा था? How was the
What,
class?
ma'am?
How was the class for you?
This class, ma'am, थोड़ा हिंदी में बोल के रहा जरा.
क्लास आपके लिए
एक
कैसा
बार.
थी? आप थोड़ा सा अटेंड किए, बट कैसा लगा आपको?
Yeah, ma'am, this class so amazing, and I'm so happy because I'm talking in English communication with you. So I'm today very happy that this is my first class. So I'm maybe I've connected your next classes. So it will be get a good communication maybe.
Yes, absolutely. Shivani, how was the class for
This
you?
is a good. Yes, yes, ma'am. This is a very good classes for me recently, just now.
Yes, wonderful. Shivani,
यस मैम.
how was the class for you?
आज मैम ज्यादा लॉन्ग नहीं चली तो अच्छी थी, बट ज्यादा देर नहीं चली.
Long, 1 घंटा होने वाला अब.
क्या होने वाला है?
Just no, ma'am.
30 मिनट का
कैसे
1 hour
बोलते
होने
हैं?
वाला है.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, please, 1 minute.
Okay, मेरा
कैसे बोलते हैं कि पता ही नहीं चलता, समय निकल जाता है ऐसे कम्युनिकेशन
But
करने में.
every Saturday we have this 30 minutes session. Sharp 7:30 I start, and I should finish sharp at 8 p.m. Please make yourself available and remember it, because either this class, the the live 30-minute class or YouTube, आप consistent होंगे तो आपकी learning होती है. Time लगेगा but होगी learning.
मैम एक क्लास की इंग्लिश बता दो बस. मैम एक स्टेटमेंट की ओनली.
What happened?
मैम आई एम आस्किंग यू इन इंग्लिश. मैम कम्युनिकेशन करते करते समय कब निकल गया पता ही नहीं चला, इसकी इंग्लिश कैसे होगी?
I did not realize how time flew as we were talking English.
Okay, ma'am.
As we were talking, why communication? English तो जरूरत नहीं, you didn't
Ma'am,
want.
can you tell me how, what types of my communication and how to speak well or not is there?
लगे रहिए आप YouTube, मैंने बताया ना, मेरा YouTube पे जाइए, एक चीज सेंटेंस को रिपीट करते रहिए, एक वीडियो को 1 हफ्ते कीजिए.
Okay.
और ये वाली
Yes, ma'am.
क्लास अटेंड कीजिए. और when
Okay,
you
ma'am.
have paying capacity, join the classes. Okay, paid sessions.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So, ma'am, most welcome.
Most welcome नहीं, you will tell me thank you. I will say most welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay.
Bye guys.
Yeah,
Okay,
bye.
bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Hmm.